What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you've all been well. Today I've got a quick and easy install to fix a common issue with the Jeep Gladiators and the Jeep Wrangler JLs. This is for anybody that's had a Jeep for a long time. It's for the visor, you know, the sun visor. They break, they fall. So we got a quick, easy install. I'm gonna be putting it in on my 2020 Jeep Mojave, and I'll show you what we gotta get done. This install is super easy. I got this kit off Amazon for super cheap. It comes with both the driver and passenger sides, longer screws for each side in accordance, instructions, and the tool you need to remove the existing bolts, and the tool to replace the new ones. If you don't like this tool, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver and a T20 Torx bit. And for those that don't know what I'm talking about, here's my passenger side vent visor. And when you pull it down, I can be real gentle and it opens. What we're really looking at is right here. Now, it's good, but all it takes is a little bit of, so if you open it quickly, it falls and it hangs around. So we're gonna remove 2 of these screws, put one of those new clips in there, which is gonna hold this collar nice and tight, get that back up nice and tight, and this will be back in operation. So 2 T20 Torx bits here, remove those screws, and we can install the new piece. Now, as you can see, the whole clip will fall out. There are other options that only use one of these bolts to hold this in. Mine uses both, so this all comes out. There's a guide rod here that goes up in the hole, and these are the 2 pins that you want to rescrew into. So we'll go take a look at the new product and get that installed. So now when looking at the new hardware kit, we're going from a T20 to a Phillips, but we're going a little bit longer. And the reason for that is to take up that little extra space here. So we cannot reuse these. Those are no good. We're gonna be replacing with these. And it doesn't matter, these are universal. This is the back side, this is the front side, and this clip is gonna go in to hold that broken socket in place. All right, so I pushed this piece up in as hard as I could. I just started this one here with a screwdriver. I'm gonna flip it around. I'm gonna get this one tight once I flip this around, and then I can move this out of my way to screw into that one. All right, all I had to do was push this forward, drive that screw up and in, and I got it nice and tight. So now you can see everything is nice and secure. I can open it again, and there's no pull down on it all I want. Being disconnected here, I've got complete control of that joint again. So quick, easy fix, just for a few bucks. Go check it out. I'll leave the description in the link. I'm not affiliated by any means, just trying to provide good products to people that need them. Anyway, thanks for watching. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching that quick and easy install. What a nightmare and a headache that is to deal with without that repair. It's quick and easy. So if you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, share. Go check out my merch link, and stay tuned for future installs with the Jeep Gladiator while I still have it, because I have some more on the way that are actually gonna be pretty interesting. Give this thing a little new stylish look and a little bit of actual useful upgrade. So stay tuned.